You guys really enjoyed the last video. I enjoyed making it a lot. It got a really good response. Got so many new subscribers. It's amazing. So hi, thank you for joining me. It's really awesome to have you guys here. Obviously with a load of subscribers you get loads of comments, loads of support, loads of advice. Really appreciate it. I'm always up for learning and hearing what more experienced people are doing with this stuff. It's amazing to hear. So thank you guys again so much. Hope you enjoy more stuff like this. And I'm going to try and not talk too much. Apparently I talk too much, which, if you know me in real life, I don't actually talk that much. So we're going to make some well-needed adjustments to the front over fender. Obviously I knocked this out pretty quick. It needs some tweaks and adjustments. A lot of you guys have suggested that we need to go to the front. I agree. So that's one thing we're going to do. We're going to bring that to the front. Also this angle here, I want to match this angle, so I'm going to adjust that and match that lower angle here. So this lower section is probably going to mimic that as well. Also the ride height, I'll explain to you in a second why it is a lot lower than it is at the back. I'm going to take this off, raise the car to the height it should be. Again, I'll explain why in a second, and get it dialed in. So for anyone wondering, the coilovers on this are from a Civic. It's a 92 to 2000 fitment. Pretty simple to get them on. I made a custom top plate for them. And the bottom's just got a 2mm shim just to hold it into the knuckle. Now the reason it's sitting a little bit lower than usual is because I swapped the springs out for some softer ones. So I switched them out. It's a lot softer now, so should ride a lot better. And wheel wise, if anyone's wondering, it's a 6 lug conversion. Pretty straightforward stuff. All you do on the OEM hub is knock out 2 opposing studs. A 6 stud wheel will fit straight on there. You mark the holes, put new studs in. That's it. You got a 6 stud wheel, and it's a Japanese 6 stud fitment, so 6x139.7. Okay, so now we've got the ride height set up on both sides. Taken the old shape off, so we're going to stick that onto a new piece, cut that out, and stick that on there. Decided to change it up a little bit. Obviously it'll be following that line of the bodywork there, which works quite nicely, and then I'm going to continue it straight down here. What I'm going to do is, rather than having it sucked in there like that, I think I'm going to kick it out a little bit, just to give a bit more kind of bulk at the back. That should work quite nicely. A lot of you guys said you want to see the top of the fender go higher up, so I'm going to do that. It's very similar to the original version that I did. Yeah, it's going to suit it a lot better because the top did look a little bit small in proportion. Like I said, the best thing about this stuff is you just keep on adding to it and changing it up. But I'm happy with the bottom, how that looks so far now. It's bulked out a little bit because, like I said, it's sucked it in a little bit. So let's add that top piece. And we're nearly there. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed that. It was so much fun doing that, getting that last shape on there. Really happy with it. Hope you guys like it too. Again, just a massive thank you to everyone who subscribed recently. So awesome. Thank you so much. I really appreciate all the comments, support. It's amazing. Thank you. So next time we're going to be working on the rear. Should be interesting. Take care. Subscribe.
You fools.